In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a watercolor portrait from a photo in Canva. This is a fantastic way to transform your everyday photos into beautiful, artistic pieces that resemble watercolor paintings. Whether you're working on a special gift or just looking to enhance your design skills, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive right into the steps. First, head over to Canva by opening your preferred web browser and typing in canva.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account, so go ahead and click on the Login button. If you're not logged in yet, you will have the option to continue with your Google account. Clicking on your Google account will prompt you to proceed, so make sure you're comfortable with this login method. It's straightforward and usually the quickest way if you already have your Google account set up with Canva. Once you've successfully logged into Canva, click on the Home button. This will navigate you to the main dashboard where you can access all your projects. Now, if you have a specific project you're working on, or if you're starting fresh, open your project. This will bring you to the editing interface where all the creativity happens. Next, select the image you want to transform into a watercolor portrait by clicking on it. This action will highlight the image and allow you to apply any effects or apps from Canva's vast library of resources. Here, you need to find Canva's selection of apps. Look for the Apps option on your sidebar and click on it. Here is where the magic begins. In the search bar of the Apps section, type in Art Vadar. This is the tool we'll use to convert your image into a stunning watercolor portrait. Once the results come up, locate Artvatar and click on it. This will bring up the application, and you'll probably see the Artvatar icon. Click on this icon to open up more options. With Artvatar opened, look for the Open button and click on it. This will initiate the app's interface where you can easily transform your image. Now you should see a Generate button. Clicking this will start the processing of your photo into a watercolor portrait. And this process might take a moment as it applies the artistic effect to your photo. Once it's complete, you'll have a beautiful watercolor portrait that can be used in any of your Canva projects. Feel free to adjust and refine as needed, using Canva's other tools and options to enhance your final piece. And there you have it, a custom watercolor portrait made effortlessly through Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it opens up avenues to more creative projects. Feel free to experiment with different images and see what other styles and effects you might enjoy. Thank you for following along and happy creating.